Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an absolute powerhouse, the Panorama XL gaming PC desktop featuring the beastly Intel Core i9-14900KF, 24-core, CPU, RTX 5080 GPU, an insane 96GB DDR5 RAM, and a monstrous 4TB Gen4 NVMe SSD. But before we jump into the review, don't forget to check the link below for the best discounted price available right now. 1. Desktop computer emoji, bold build and next level aesthetics. The Panorama XL isn't just fast, it's massive, bold, and beautiful. From the tempered glass side panel to the customizable RGB lighting, this rig is a head-turner. Built with premium materials and airflow-focused design, it's engineered for both performance and presentation. 2. Rocket emoji, blazing power, Intel i9-14900KF, 24 cores. Under the hood is the Intel Core i9-14900KF, a 24-core CPU from Intel's 14th Gen Raptor Lake lineup. It handles multi-threaded tasks, AAA gaming, AI, and 4K editing like a champ. With turbo boost speeds that crush competition, it's a top choice for serious performance junkies. 3. Video game emoji, next-level graphics, NVIDIA RTX 5080. Armed with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080, this system dominates modern titles with ultra settings, 4K ray tracing, and smooth DLSS 3.5 support. Whether it's Flight Simulator, Starfield, Cyberpunk, or even real-time 3D modeling, the 5080 doesn't stutter. This GPU also delivers exceptional performance in AI workloads, VR applications, and 3D content creation. 4. Brain emoji, insane RAM and storage, 96GB DDR5 plus 4TB Gen4 SSD. Let's talk memory, 96GB of DDR5 RAM, yes, you heard that right, ensures lag-free multitasking, huge file handling, and seamless 4K/8K workflows. Combine that with a 4TB Gen4 SSD, and you've got blistering speeds, fast boot times, and room for all your games, software, and media libraries. 5. Satellite antenna emoji, modern connectivity, Wi-Fi 6E, HDMI, USB-C and more. You're future-proofed with Wi-Fi 6E for lightning-fast wireless, Bluetooth for all your accessories, USB-C, HDMI, DisplayPort, and more, perfect for triple display setups or VR rigs. It also comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, so you're up and running in minutes. 6. Fire emoji, thermal efficiency and quiet operation. Despite its raw power, the Panorama XL remains cool and whisper quiet thanks to high-performance cooling fans and a well-ventilated chassis. Ideal for long gaming or rendering sessions without thermal throttling. Final verdict. The Panorama XL gaming PC desktop is a monster in every sense, with a 24-core Intel CPU, RTX 5080, nearly 100GB RAM, and 4TB SSD, it's the ultimate future-ready machine. Whether you're a content creator, pro gamer, or someone who just wants zero compromise, this rig is built to outperform. White check mark emoji, if you're hunting for the most powerful pre-built PC in 2025, this is it. Grab it while it's still available at a great deal. Bullseye emoji, click the link below to lock in the best discount today, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss another killer review.